Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
I will show you every way to right-click on a MacBook Air. Use two-finger click on the trackpad to open a contextual menu. Press and hold the Control key and click with one finger to control-click as a right-click. Plug in an external mouse and press its right button for a traditional secondary click. You can also assign a corner for right-click in trackpad settings. These methods work across Finder, browsers, and most apps. To enable secondary click, open the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Select Trackpad and then the Point and Click section to find secondary click. Choose two-finger click or set a specific bottom corner for the secondary click. If you use a magic mouse, open System Settings, then Mouse, and set secondary click to right side. You can also enable tap to click and adjust click pressure for better responsiveness. Changes apply immediately without restarting your Mac. Right-click opens contextual menus for copy, paste, open in new tab, and save images. In browsers, right-click gives inspect element when developer tools are active. If right-click stops working, restart the MacBook Air and check system settings for trackpad and mouse. Toggle secondary click off then on to reset the setting and test again. Update macOS if problems persist and consider resetting NVRAM only as a last resort. If using Bluetooth mouse,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.